Alright. Getting ready to clean a little office. Got some dark stains here at the front entrance. The rest of the carpet isn't really all that dark. We'll show you kind of, we got all this room here. And then there's some traffic area right there. There's not much to it. Alright, so that's what we're doing today. Stay tuned. That area is still dark that you're standing on.
Look at this.
Yep.
So we're doing a little store here. They got some heavy traffic lanes, and we put the ammonia down pretty good. If you're going to be a carpet painter, you better make good friends with ammonia. That'd be your best friend because it takes everything out. So anyway, the stains are just, the dark stains are just coming out right in front of our eyes, right on camera. We told the people when we started it probably won't be perfect because the carpet's probably got a lot of wear where the color's missing, but it's looking pretty good to be honest.
Yeah, and it should be dry in about an hour. So that's one nice thing on these carpets. If you get them too wet, they can be wet for a whole day easily. So try to get them done quicker.
Now it may not show on camera, but this is a very heavy traffic lane.
Yeah, that's the worst of it.
We put a lot of ammonia down and then a good neutral pre-spray.
Yeah, since we use a neutral pH pre-spray, there's not going to be a resoiling issue. There's not going to be any residue, so that's going to be a good thing. Now he's going to have to work on some areas a little bit more. But I'm going to pause here and we'll update you as we go along. Alright, now we're working sections at a time, so if you see something here on camera that looks dirty, we're not trying to get the whole carpet sprayed at one time. It just, this pre-spray will start drying up. Okay, like this square here
That's not been covered.
hasn't been sprayed yet, so we're not trying to clean it yet.
Now this where I'm at, it's really the dark area of the carpet. It's what you call your money shot. When we get done with this, we may show a little more, but the real dirty painting's going on right now. The rest of us isn't that bad.
Well, it's been raining a lot lately, so everybody that walks in through that door walks right through here up to this counter.
Yeah, with wet
So it's
shoes,
gonna be
got
the
grease
dirty.
on them, probably from the parking lot. So.
Alright, I'll video till he gets to this square right here and I'll pause it. That's about the dirtiest thing left to show for now. Alright, work in progress. Stay tuned.
Work in progress, yeah.
Alright, we're continuing on. Now some of the darker areas that may show up on video, the carpet's damp. Some places we saturated it pretty good because there was a stain, so it's not going to appear even until it's fully dry. We've got a little white splotch over there in the corner.
That's gum.
That's the chewing gum. We'll mess with that later.
You got it from black to white. It was totally black when we started messing with it.
Alright, so we're continuing on here. Stay tuned. Alright, we did get that gum out, and now he's starting. He just has that, from that line he started on up to the wall there to finish. I'm not going to show much of it because there's not much to show. This carpet doesn't get as dirty back here. So. Anyway, we're still working on this.
You can show it for a minute or so.
I'll show a little bit of it.
It's not real dirty, so it's not fun to watch paint, but we can see the darkness. It's dirty, but it's not dark dirt. So, but when we're running over, we can see the dirt just coming right out and going right into this false bonnet. It's absorbing up quick. So,
yeah, the only part that's really dirty looks like into the bathroom doors. The carpet's a little bit dingy there, but not too bad. We've come a long way so far. There's still some areas here that look darker because they're not dry yet. Let's see, kind of get it back. Kind of see how far he's gone. So stay tuned. Alright, this threshold area is a little bit dirty.
it was.
One nice thing with the with this machine that we use, it's quiet enough people can actually be in an open office, conduct business while we're cleaning. It's not so loud that everybody
We're
has
in a
to.
business that's open right now.
Yeah, it's open.
There's no
So if a customer comes in, it's not going to bother them because
There's
it's so
nobody in
loud.
here right now, but when they do, it won't bother them at all. Quiet.
All right,
It's very non-intrusive.
I'm gonna walk out here and show just a little bit more. And we're still waiting for everything to dry, but we've only been doing this maybe an hour, maybe
Maybe not that long.
maybe not quite an hour. So the carpets are already pretty much dry, but they got a little bit of residual moisture still to go. But all right. So he's going to clean. He's just going to clean back there behind the counter. I'm not going to video any of that though. I'm pretty much in the video here. You kind of get the gist of what we're doing. Hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for our next video.